Today we're going to talk about a day in the life of the macrobiotic lifestyle. So upon arising, I come into my bathroom and I do my morning ritual. We'll skip, parts of it, but I do come in and wash my face and brush my teeth. And we have a whole house water filter, which we're going to take a look at later on. But this way I can wash my face and brush my teeth in purified water that has no chlorine, no chemicals whatsoever. I think it's real important to have the whole house water filter so that you don't splash your face and inhale chlorine gas first thing in the morning. I've been affected by the recent toothpaste scare because mine has all natural products that are not imported from another country, and I use an all natural soap because I don't want my skin absorbing any kind of toxic chemicals. So I wash my face, brush my teeth, I put my hair back, and get ready for my day.